To change your name on Facebook app using your Android device, go ahead and open the Facebook application. Tap on this horizontal lines here. Go to this option settings and privacy. Go to settings. Select this option see more in account center. Select profiles. Select your profile. Select name. And then you can change the name. For example, let me add something here. You can also add middle name, and then tap on this arrow here and then select this option review change. Now there are a few options here, so I will select this option and select save changes. Now the name has been successfully changed, and you can't change your name again until 60 days. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.